Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sanjukta Barkatake's channel. Today we are going to visit an American agricultural farm and orchard. America is like, as you all know, America is so big, and out of the whole 100% of the land, geographical land area, America is covered with 53% of the area is covered by farmland, which is 915 million acres of land. If you compare to India, then India 60% of the land is covered by farmland, which is 395 million acres. So you can see it's like 3 times the land in America is covered by farmland. So farming is one of the very important aspect of American living. So today we are going to visit an orchard, which is also an agricultural farm, known as Butler's Orchard. That is in Germantown, Maryland, east coast of US. And that orchard was first established in 1950 by Shirley and George Butler. Right after their graduation, they opened up that orchard. They bought 37 acres of land and planted peaches on 25 acres of land. Then they started selling them in their local grocery stores, and also they had one small farm market in their orchard. In 1953, they started strawberry plantation, and that time pick your own was a very recent concept, and then they started pick your own opened up for the public. So that became very popular in 1953, and today they have more than 25 varieties of fruits, vegetables, trees and flowers in over 300 acres of land. So they bought, when they started, it was 37 acres of land, and today it's over 300 acres of land. The whole Butler's Orchard is spread out too. So let's go and check it out, how it looks like, and we will also experience blueberry picking today. How does it work is basically you pick up your own time slot, and they have a different variety of picking. During this season they are open for blackberry picking and blueberry picking, and after this there will be strawberry picking, cherry picking, and then during September, October there will be pumpkin picking. So they have a picking season almost throughout the year, but today we will experience blueberry picking. So let's go and check out Butler's Orchard. So we are now in the blueberry orchard. As you can see, these are the blueberries, and we are picking blueberries. You can pick your own. So these are not ripe ones, so these are the ones we would prefer to get. These are more sweeter, and it's a lot of fun. It's a huge area. It's around 17 acres of land, which is spread out for blueberry plantation. It's an amazing experience. They have several other plantations in here, but today we booked the appointment for picking up blueberries. Oh. My mom and Iana, they are also enjoying blueberry picking. It was my mom who really wanted to come to the orchard for picking.
Fantastic experience.
These are all blueberry plants, and here you can see blueberries, lots and lots of them. And that's a bird feeder. If you can hear the sound of the bird chirping. They have kept it very naturally. So we are now done with our picking. We booked 90 minutes picking slot, and usually you are able to book your own time slot and how long you prefer to pick your farm fruits and vegetables. Usually they use a farm trolley where they take all the people to the farm where the picking is happening. But due to the COVID thing and social distancing, they are now allowing us to have our own car, and we are able to drive through the farm. And now we are going towards the animal farm animals, and we will be able to feed goats, and let's see what other animals we can find in there. You can buy some animal food, which also you can book it online. So when you are here, you get all your stuff with the tickets to enter the farm. So here we are going to park our car, and then we will walk to the farm animal area. So this is the entertainment area they have built up for kids, a park for kids, and then that way are the farm animals. Kids get very excited when they are able to feed them. That's my mom and my daughter, and Iana is super excited. She have goat food with her, and let's check it out. That's cow. We can see pigs. Lots of kids are in here. Goat farm now, and I have goat food in here. Let's see how they behave when we feed them. Iana is super excited to feed them. Hi! Do you want one? Good! And can I give it to your friend? That is fun. How many you have, Iana? That's a lot. You need to feed them soon. Kids are very excited in here. As you can see, lots of kids, and they have very well maintained the whole area. This is the chicken farm. One of the interesting thing is mature hens lay about 1 egg each day, and if the eggs are fertilized by a rooster, they will hatch into chicks, and if they are not fertilized, they are collected by the farmers for his family to eat. So roosters are very important here. And these are the different kinds of food for chicken, and you can put a quarter in here and then get some food for them. Aren't they beautiful? That's Iana. That's the farm equipment. Hi, Yana.
Hi.
Was it fun?
I'm gonna try this.
Okay. She doesn't want to come back. As you can see, a lot of kids are there, and most of the people are wearing masks because of the COVID thing. These are farm donkeys. Mainly the main idea of keeping them here, all the farm animals, are it's kind of an educational thing for the kids so that they can experience and learn what are the farm animals and what are the importance of them. And the orchard management has definitely done a good job keeping everything very organized and clean. Now we are going towards the playground area for the kids, and that's Yana. As you can see, they have made everything very naturally with woods and lots. That's a wooden train and a shape. And that's like a lighthouse in there for kids. Very nicely planned.
We're at the farm market. So there's lots of people, as you can see, so that's why we have to wear masks. COVID.
Our farm produce, all fresh from their own orchard. These are corn, fresh corns, watermelon, different kinds of melons. This is their farmers market. All the things in here are made by them, most of them, especially their jams, jellies, pickles. You can also find their produce, and these all are very much related to farm. These are their honey. It's a relatively big store, and a lot of people are here, so it's mandatory to wear mask and to maintain 6 feet of social distancing. These are their lotion and other stuff, which are all made by the Butler's Farm team. They have mist, hand soap, lotion, all different kinds of products in here. Here we can see their jams and jellies, peanut butter, and this is the kids nook, and as usual you can find Iana busy in here finding some interesting stuff for her. Hi Iana.
Hi. I found my two things.
Two things. Do you like this place?
Yeah.